Hello everyone, this is Donne from Shanghai Construction Engineering Company. Today, I'm in our warehouse near Shanghai Port. I'm going to introduce a unique excavator, XE200DA, which is ready for ship to our Philippine clients. So, let's go and check more details. We can see it's very huge. Its operating weight is 20,200 kilograms. First, let's see the chassis. XE200DA has a newly designed slewing platform, and the chassis is strengthened to improve its rigidity, which makes the working life of this excavator in the forefront in the industry. The bucket capacity is 0.93 cubic meters, and the bucket digging force is 149 kN. Next, I will show you the engine. The engine model is QSB7, rated power 135 kW, featuring sufficient power and low fuel consumption. It conforms to national standard Stage 3 emission, and the common speed is set within low speed and high torque. Now we are in the cab. The luxury cab has a wide view and can insulate the working noise very well. It's also equipped with an air conditioner, which provides a comfortable operating environment. The large screen display makes human-computer interaction easier. If you are interested in it or need any other construction machineries, welcome to send us an inquiry. We will give you the best price and best service. This is Donne. See you next time.